Raise the bucket up. Okay, I'm going to show you how to unload a mini skid steer here. I just recently got this here, so this is the first time it's actually going to come off the trailer here. It's a double axle, 7,500 pounds. So first I got these ramp here. I'm going to line this up here with the tracks. And this skid steer weighs about 2,000 pounds, so I'm going to go grab the other one over here. It goes with the mini excavator, same brand. I like that, the Infront brand, they're pretty good. Should be no problem coming off. It gets off pretty easy. Let me turn the light on for you guys too to see. With a good light, right? And get the keys. The keys should be in this box here. All right, I'm gonna move the camera over here so you guys can see me better here. I don't want to bring the camera outside because it's raining, so get up the ramp here. But yeah, this is 23 horsepower. It's a Rodi engine. And you can hear it start up. 23 horsepower. It's got a bucket, almost 4.5 foot bucket, square feet bucket. So it's pretty. It's a mini, but it's a little bit on the large side. It's a YF380 brand. It's got tri-tracks. The reason why I went with tri-tracks is because they're easier maintenance and clean. So, and they're more durable, you know, maintenance-wise here. This is the feel here. It's a gasoline engine, and again, I mentioned earlier, 23 horsepower. It's I went with gasoline is because it's easier to maintain. I'm more familiar with gasoline and diesel. You want something more horsepower or more torque and stuff, diesel is the way to go. But for what I use, gasoline engines is perfect for me. So I put some gas on here. Let's see how this starts. Let the engine warm a little bit here. Okay, I think I figured it out here. Raise the bucket up. brakes are good. Double check the tracks. I'm off the ramp. Again, this is about 2,000 pounds, so it's pretty heavy, pretty stable. Raise the bucket up. Oh yeah, got it.